Hello guys, yan o, umpisa na ang pagbubuhat. Ayan. Ganyan yung lifting. Ayan. Medyo mahangin kaya medyo gumagalaw yung yung structure. Tapos yung mga crane guys, mga crawler crane yun sila guys. Crawler crane. Tatakbo nila yan papunta doon. Malakas ang hangin kaya sumasayaw yung sumasayaw yung deck. Hindi basta-basta na tatakbo yan, may mga command yan. Isang lang yung nagkukuman dyan guys, mga sa rigging, yung superintendent lang ang command. Tapos lahat na operator mayroong radio yan para ang takbo ay synchronize, kasi kapag may naiwan ay failure yung lifting. Sama yan sa procedure kung paano nila patakbuhin. Siguro matapos ito mga after lunch na. Matangal naman niya, no? Ayan na guys, oh, moving na yung crane. Pero banayad yung move nila. Mabilis. Start moving. Pero dahan-dahan para yung anim na crane ay magsabay-sabay, walang maiiwan. Napapansin ko ninyo guys na tumatakbo yung crane, ay hindi pala tumatakbo, nagko-crawl na yung crane. Cranes are in progress crawling guys. Okay, let me zoom. Slowly. guys, so lampas na tayo. Adjust ako, adjust. So diba, nandito na yung train. So malapit na yan doon. So, malayo pa. Diba guys, masyadong critical yung mga ganitong lifting guys. Maraming mga formalities bago mag-start activity para iwasan ang aberya o magkaroon ng accident. Safety first muna din. Ayan guys, hello. Ayan na oh. Time check 11:20. Ayan. Almost done na guys. Ayan ha. Ayan. Ayan. Malayo pa doon oh. Ayan o, malayo pa. Mga another 2 hours pa siguro yan bago ma-sit up. Ayan. Mamaya na yan halian yung mga operator na yan. No, involved ng lifting activities na yan ng mga crew. So ayan guys, ano na lang nila guys, i-match na lang nila yung node ng upper portion saka yung column na tubo. So ayan guys, ayan, nakita na ninyo guys. Yan, touchdown na guys, completely touchdown the lifted assembly to the column, and it was done successfully, and my surveyor already doing the survey. I will show you the surveyor here. That is my surveyor now, checking the squareness and the correct position of the assembly. Then after we release the squareness, the crane will be removed. Okay guys, so after 2 hours, that is the result of the lifting activities of this rigging department team. Thanks God, it was successfully done. Lifting operation. So, okay guys, so that is the last update. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, God bless as always. Bye for now. Thank you.